Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be setting up the month of September in our Healthy Heroes, and I've got some stickers here on my sticker sheet and the sticker books that I use to set up this spread. Okay, so I'm going to begin by covering up all of the header elements here on the design. My idea is to match this spread kind of with my health goals for the month, which is basically to do more meal planning, meal prep, and just really concentrate more on my nutrition. So I thought that'd be a good way to lay out this design. And so I'm going to go ahead and start. I pulled a few goals for the month, just kind of some healthy habit reminders to put there on the sidebar. I'm going to go ahead and also use my highlighter to kind of set up an area where I'm going to be doing my steps tracking for the month. So I'm just going to highlight it out, and that'll take a minute. But that's where I'm going to put in my daily step count, just so I can see it all on the monthly spread. And I'm using my friction highlighter pen here, so just in case there's anything that doesn't look good, I can do a little erasing and clean it up. And I'm also wiping down my ruler because a lot of times the ink will get stuck on the ruler, and as I move it to the next area, it tends to create smearing. So good tip is just to clean your ruler as you go if you are using it to guide through something like a highlighter. Okay, so that's all set up. So I'm going to put in some more kind of accountability type things on this spread. I've pulled some check boxes and some stickers related to those goals of meal planning and prep. And so what I want to do is just kind of set it up so that I check them off every time that I do them to kind of keep myself accountable, keep me on track with the meal planning, and hopefully that will help and lead me towards the goal of actually dialing in my nutrition, not being lazy about doing that meal prep, and just kind of get a flow going, so hopefully that I can continue it without the external reminders constantly every month. So I found a lot of meal prep stickers there in the Healthy Hero Mini, which was nice because it had a smaller box. They have a larger box that says meal prep in the Healthy Hero, the classic version. But I wanted it to be small so that it wouldn't take up too much space in the box and I could still have room to write if need be. And then I found those little shopping carts in the journaling sticker book, which was just right. There were some other like grocery shopping and just regular shopping stickers, but I wanted them to be kind of neutral and very like black and white like the other stickers I have on the spread, so they worked out really nice. I also found these meal planning stickers, which were in the mom sticker book. I think the mom mini is where I got those. And they're really cute. They had like a little colorful outline with them, but again, I wanted to stick with the black and white kind of neutral looking spread. So I'm going to trim off the elements of that, and then I'm going to also add check boxes here just to kind of, again, keep myself accountable. So I hand cut the first one, but I think it'll be easier if I just X-Acto knife it. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do here, which you see me do with my ruler. And that way I can just peel up the sticker alone without the color surrounding it. So my plan is to do the meal planning in the middle of the week. I'm guessing maybe Wednesday, but it might be a little bit later. And then all the prep and the shopping on the Sunday. So we'll make that happen. Then to kind of finish off this theme, I thought we would just kind of bring in all kinds of healthy fruits and vegetables just to kind of keep that constant reminder of what I'm trying to achieve, which is just eating healthy and staying away from the junk food. And this will coordinate nicely with the September goals, like I said before. That also kind of had some food just kind of sprinkled along in its designs. I do like to coordinate whenever possible, so that this will be pretty nice to look at for the month, I think. And now I'm just trying to pick out, different items with varying colors just to kind of make it look somewhat like a collage up there, kind of give some variety. I'll probably do some trimming too on the top edge and reuse those pieces if possible, just to kind of, again, kind of get that feeling of going off the page, which I really like to do. And yeah, now I'm just going to do a few little adjustments there. Kind of fix that where I peeled up the dry liner I used before. And then go ahead and trim out and possibly reuse if I can. But then once that's done, friends, that'll be it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. And go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Alright, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye!